Today, I wanted to talk to you about making money with OnlyFans using a coach, also known as a manager. First, what is a coach and why should you, as an OnlyFans creator, have one? A coach is someone that you can think of as your manager and promoter, depending on where you're at in your OnlyFans journey and what your current needs are. A coach is someone who allows you, as the talent, to focus on content creation and interacting with your fans while they work on building your brand into a true business. And let's be honest, as soon as you made OnlyFans into a revenue stream, it became your business. And you have to think of it as such. And the how much revenue or income a business brings in is based on how well that brand is built, packaged, and marketed. For some OnlyFans creators, the biggest help they're going to need is basically us having an assistant come in and helping them reply to DMs. And this will be in the form of man hours, to like literally replying to DMs, to teaching the creator how to be more efficient with their time. And what I mean by that is, a lot of creators will surprisingly get the same questions over and over and over again and type out the answer every single time versus through experience you learn just to create a sheet on your phone that has your common questions, your well thought out answers typed up one time so you can copy and paste it. This makes you give better answers, saves you time, and it provides better value to your fans overall because you're not just in a rush retyping something every time. Other fans are only other OnlyFans creators. They're up and coming talent, and they're either thinking about joining the platform or they've ideally already joined the platform and they've started making content and they've got that revenue started, but it's maybe not where they want it to be, or maybe it's not a sustainable income level yet. And that's the side of the business that they need help with, is how to get the income to where they need it to be. And that's where we come in as a coach. What we do for our talent is a complete marketing solution. We'll come in, we'll learn your style, we'll help you develop it into a brand. We'll take your content and we'll promote your brand across a bunch of different channels that we know work well for growing OnlyFans. And this would be everything from social media channels to niche specific blogs. And then once we get new subscribers coming to your channel, we help you package your content into upsells. Now, what do we mean by upsells? And believe it or not, most of your income will not come from subscriptions. Most of your income is actually going to be what we call upsells. And there's a couple different forms of upsells. This is anything from, taking a photo that you didn't post to your Instagram and DMing it to your subscribers and them paying you an extra $10 to get the photo unlocked, or you recording a video and posting a preview of it on your wall and they pay you $20 to get the full video, or maybe you have a subscriber who really likes feet photos, so they reach out to you in the DMs and they ask for a custom photo, and you charge them $20-$30 and you send them that custom photo. These are a couple forms of upsells, and they can actually end up making up the bulk of your revenue from your fans. And then pricing, I guess, would be the next transition. That's probably the next big area that we see as a coach that we can help creators on. Surprisingly, we see a lot of creators who undervalue themselves with their pricing. And, we've even talked to a bunch of creators who will tell us that they feel like they're charging too little, or they're having a hard time getting it to a sustainable income level. And so for one reason or another, they're afraid to ask for higher prices, even though they may already think that or believe that they deserve higher prices. They're just afraid to ask for them. What we'll come in as a coach, and based on your brand, your income goals, we'll use our experience of the market and working with other creators to help you charge better and more appropriate prices for your content, as well as bring in new buyers, new subscribers to help you reach, whatever your income goals are. you know, other than the pricing, the experience on packaging your content, feedback on your content, promoting your brand, probably the biggest benefit that you get working with a coach is access to that coach's talent network. Now, what I mean by that is, when you're getting managed by a coach, they're also managing other talent, and you get access to this talent in order to, like, let's say you're trying to figure out how to handle a scenario that's coming up with subscribers, or you're trying to figure out some content inspiration and you just need some help. Well, you can go in as one of our managed talent and bounce ideas or questions you have off of other creators and get their feedback. And so you get that direct experience of what other creators are seeing. They help you out. And on top of that, when you're part of that community, not only do you get this network of mentors, but you now have a network of creators who are going to cross promote you so you can grow faster. You get access to their audiences, you get to learn from them, and you get subscriber growth from them. And that's probably one of the biggest benefits that you know that helps you grow on so many different levels. It helps you grow your income, it helps you get your subscriber base, your knowledge, how to be a better creator, how to improve your content. So it's just really priceless on what you unlock with that. So, just to recap, having a coach brings in that experience of how you can improve your content, how you can grow your brand, how you can reach a larger audience, and how you can raise your income to those higher levels. So you can go from being, say, $1,000 a month OnlyFans creator to a $20,000 a month OnlyFans creator. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, concerns, help you need, let us know down in the comment. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. If you're thinking about joining OnlyFans, or if you're already on the platform and you need a coach or an assistant or a manager, or to get some promotion going out, check out the link below. It tell you a little bit about our services, a little bit more about our services. It have some forms you can fill out to tell us about your OnlyFans journey and your goals and how we can best help you, and it connects you with one of our OnlyFans managers. Look forward to talking to you soon. See you in the next video.